Audio Jungle.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Sanjeev Mathur from VC Media, and we are here to cover the Electrama event 2025. And from VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Anmol Agarwal, who is the director of Hayati Ispat Private Limited, and with their office at Raipur. And we would like to understand from him the line of business that he's into, the experience that he has in this exhibition, this event, and his way forward.
Hi, sir. We are Hayati Ispat Private Limited, based in Raipur. We are one of the largest manufacturers of structural steel, basically long products, to suit the transmission industry. We are
Okay.
basically into transmission. We also have a forward vertical. We make transmission line towers, railway OHE electrification structures. We are approved by all the boards of the country, including Power Grid, railways, and everywhere. We also make some we also make sheet piles for the infra projects, and we do even highway crash barriers. We make solar mounting structures. It's a vast portfolio that we do, and whatever we do, whatever we make, is only related to the transmission industry for empowering the nation, you can say. And now coming down to the other part, Electrama, this is the third time we are participating in Electrama. It is a great event, it's a great exhibition where you have people all over the world coming, get to meet many people and understand, and it's a great networking place. We believe we'll be participating again in the future also.
Good to hear that.
Yes.
And any future plans?
We are expanding our transmission division. We are enhancing the capacities, looking onto the vast business that the transmission is having and the growth that is there in the coming 10 years, the demand which is there for the transmission industry. Looking onto that, we are expanding our capacities to fulfill the same.
And any work on sustainability?
Sustainability, yes. We are trying to, be as green and everything as possible. We are setting up all solar power plants in our plant and trying to be more green, more renewable. That's the major what we are doing.
Yeah, I know the buzzword of sustainability is now in everybody's mind. So whatever we do, wherever we go, it has to be sustainable and has to be eco-friendly.
Yes.
So are your all these products made in India?
Yes, 100% made in India. Our raw materials are also made in India. And we are there in Chhattisgarh, the heart of India, center of India.
So with that, I would like to conclude my discussion with you. I would like to thank you and wish your organization all the very best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.